More than just steel, the katana embodies a warrior's spirit. Its history is a tapestry woven with legend, discipline, and unparalleled craftsmanship. The creation begins with tamabagain, steel meticulously smelted from iron sand. Layers are folded repeatedly, each fold infusing strength and purifying the metal. This arduous process, repeated thousands of times, refines the steel, creating strata within the blade that offer both resilience and flexibility. A special clay mixture is applied, thicker on the spine and thinner on the edge, dictating the blade's hardening pattern during quenching. The blade is plunged into water, a moment of extreme thermal shock. The differential cooling creates the iconic hamon, the temper line. This wavy temper line is not just beautiful, it's a testament to the blade's tempered edge and a signature of its unique creation. Skilled artisans then begin the painstaking polishing process, using a series of regressively finer stones to reveal the blade's true beauty. The tsuka or hilt is meticulously wrapped in rayskin and ito cord, providing grip and absorbing shock for the wielder. The tsuba or handguard and fuchi kashira fittings add both aesthetic flair and functional balance to the assembled sword. Each component is precisely fitted, transforming raw materials into a harmonious and deadly weapon, a true work of art. The katana became the soul of the samurai, symbolizing their honor, loyalty, and martial prowess in feudal Japan. Mastery of the katana required rigorous training, demanding absolute focus, precision, and respect for the weapon. The sword's fluid design allows for swift, elegant strikes, a dance between life and death on the battlefield. Over centuries, the katana transitioned from a battlefield weapon to a revered symbol of Japanese culture and artistry. Today, collectors and martial artists alike appreciate the katana not just for its history, but for its enduring aesthetic and functional design. Master Kenji, a descendant of generations of swordsmiths, continues to uphold the ancient traditions, passing down his knowledge. The katana's story is one of evolution, from a fearsome weapon to a cultural icon, its beauty and precision resonating through time. Experience the legacy. Discover the artistry and find your own connection to the legendary katana.